Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Doing a quick little review. I was eating one of these bars and I figured, you know what, I should make a quick video of it just to help other people out or people who are curious about it. So, as you can see, it's Honey Stinger by the same company that makes Honey Stinger Energy Chews, Honey Stinger wafers. They kind of look like a little wafer, a waffle almost. But these are their energy bars. They have a chocolate one and a peanut butter and honey. But these peanut butter and honey ones also contain a chocolate coated bottom. So as you can see here, they contain 22 vitamins and minerals, 30% honey, 6 grams of protein, and plus they have calcium in them. They're 82% organic, and they're made with organic honey. I really like these bars. I tried one last year. I actually tried a couple of them last year, and I really liked them. And they have a lot of beneficial stuff in them that will help us out on the trails, whether we're just backpacking, hiking, or backcountry hunting in general. They have a lot of good stuff in them, and plus they're 82% organic, and I looked at the back and they contain no high fructose corn syrup, so that's really good. And also we will take a look at the nutritional facts here. So here's a little glimpse of the nutrition facts. Sorry if it's a little blurry. Kind of got the sun out today, so it's kind of warm. And anyway, so it's 1 bar per serving. There's 200 calories, 7 grams of fat, 2 grams of saturated fat, 0 grams of trans fat, 2 grams of polyunsaturated, and 3 grams of monosaturated, 0 cholesterol, 180 milligrams of potassium, 30 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of dietary fiber, and 6 grams of protein. And then down here they have all the percentages for all the vitamins and minerals, which let's see if we can see it there. I'll kind of just hold there, you kind of look at it. But anyway, so right off the get-go in the ingredients, there's organic honey, organic brown rice, flour, organic peanuts, peanut flour, organic rolled oats, chocolate coating, cocoa powder, sunflower. Anyway, so there's a lot of good stuff in there for us. And with that, as far as the polyunsaturated and the monounsaturated fats, the polyunsaturated fats and the monos are actually both vital for our everyday living and body and brain function. The polyunsaturated fat, without going into a whole lot of detail, and I'm not a full scientist on this stuff, but the polyunsaturated fats are like omega-3s and omega-6s. And the unsaturated fats are also essential. And so with the polyunsaturated fat, like I said, the omega-3, omega-6s, that's all vital for health, brain, and body function. And the monosaturated is mono. It's well, I don't want to get into the whole scientific spot, but monosaturated fats, you're going to find they're all natural occurring fats. So with the monosaturated, you find it in olive oil, you find it in peanuts, which this is peanut butter and honey. You find it in avocados, as well as with the polyunsaturated. So anyway, it's got the stuff that we need. It tastes really good. There's one of the bars right there. And yeah, I really enjoy these. And if you don't like honey, then these probably are not going to be the ones for you, because any of the Honey Stinger stuff, really, as far as the energy bars, protein bars, and the wafers, they've got a really strong taste of honey. I love honey. It's a natural sugar. But anyway, here's the quick little review, and just kind of a quick glimpse. Like I said, I was eating one, but the chocolate's kind of melting. But that's kind of what they look like. Chocolate coated bottom, although it's melting. And then you got the peanuts, and you can see the brown rice and all that stuff in there. A lot of wholesomeness, a lot of goodness. They taste really well. They're not like some of the other brands that taste like, like you would think hay or grass tastes like. But they just have that good honey flavor and peanut butter flavor. But anyway, there it is. And thanks for watching. And if this helps you out at all, just please hit that subscribe and like button. Let me know how it is. And I'd love to hear from you guys about your take on it as well. So, yeah, there it is. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.